Hello guys and welcome to Freebirds 2 and welcome to 75-day Hard Generative AI Learning Challenge, and this is day 51. And in this video I will tell you how you can build a product with the help of Gemini large language models that can talk with the graphs, that can helps you to interpret the graphs or any kind of image that you upload in those kind of large language models. Okay, so let's get started. So here you see my Kaggle notebook is here. And if you want to know about the Google Gemini architecture and parameters, you can watch this video, and along with the key features as well, that how this large language models are multimodal large language models, because it can understand the text, image, video, audio and code as well. Okay, so let's get started with our chat with the graphs, invoices or images, code. Okay, so here you see that the first thing is I get the generative AI large language model API key from the Google, and then with the help of that API key I am able to use its large language models directly from the Google Cloud. Okay, so here you see that I just have a small code here that use the Gemini Pro model, and I ask him a question as well with all the kind of configurations that I want to give it, and it just gave a very small configuration as well. But that response is not the quite good response, because that is a foundational model as well. So we need to fine tune it to get the actual good responses. Okay, so let's start with our project here. The very first thing is I need these kind of libraries here, the PIL image, the request, the bytes, and because these kind of libraries are required because I need to read the image, okay, so that I can put that image into our Gemini Vision Pro large language model. Okay, so here the first thing is I ask him to enter the image URL, and with the help of that image URL I get image with the help of request library, and then I put that result content into my PIL image to show it on the go. Okay, then when I get the image, then I load my vision model, that is Gemini Pro Vision, and with the help of this Vision Pro model I asked the user to put a query that it can ask about that image as well. And then when it get a query, then with the help of that vision model I generate the response. Okay, let me show you a just small example here. That the first thing I put a invoice image here, and with the help of that invoice image I ask is to convert this invoice image into the JSON format with the correct fields and data. So it generated everything like that. You just see that it generated everything like a very seamless experience you can get. Okay, and then I ask him to read this graph image from this link, and then I ask him to total number of fruits, the most bought fruit, total number of fruits by telling number of each fruit as well, then convert this graph into the Python code as well. Okay, so it can work like that. So you see that how you can use this Google Gemini Pro Vision model to talk with the images as well. You can talk with the images in a manner that you can find a recipe of the food as well. You can find the ingredients of the food as well, or you can also talk with the images in a manner to understand them as well. You can understand the paintings as well. You can understand the complex graphs or visuals as well. Okay, so with the help of this I build a Streamlit app that I can show you here, right down here. Okay, you see this? That is a Streamlit app that I just created, and this app will do the same thing that is done in the Kaggle notebook. It asks for the image URL, and then it can chat with the graphs as well. And then the similar manner, it can chat with the graphs, it can chat with the any kind of image that we put down there. Okay, so let me just show you that how it actually works. So just click on the Streamlit app and it loaded down there. You see, now I had to put the image URL. I put the image URL here. You see, it just loaded the image, and now I need to ask that how many fruits are there and give me count of each fruit. Okay, then click on submit, and it started running, and it can fetch the results and show it right down here. Okay, so in that way you can talk with like that. So see, there are 20 fruits and 8 apples, like in that way it can give you the result. Now you can also change the image as well. Okay, so if I just get another image, okay, so I can get this salad image and try to find out that if my Gemini Pro model can get me the recipe of it. I give him the image. So here is the image it fetched successfully. Ask him to give me the ingredients of this food in the image. Okay, so let's see that how it works. It is running now and it is fetching the results. Okay, so we get that salmon, quinoa, green beans, tomato, olive, feta cheese, olive oil, salt and pepper, lemon juice and herbs. So we get the every ingredient in this image. Now if I try to ask him, tell me how to prepare this dish in the image with steps. Okay, so now it can also tell you the steps to prepare this diet in the image as well. So in that way you can talk with any kind of image. It cannot be only food and graphs and voices, can be anything. Okay, here you can get everything. The instructions are right down there. Okay, so in that way this product will work, and I can upload this all code about the Kaggle and Streamlit app on my GitHub repository. You can check down that, and I upload all my codes right down there. Okay, and if you want to, and in our next video we'll talk about the more enhanced version of the Google's Gemini large language models, and I will show you how you can build products like this Streamlit app. You can build more kind of products with that as well. Okay, so just be with it, and if you want to know more about prompt engineering, generative AI, data science, you can watch my videos on YouTube and also read my blogs on Medium. We'll meet in our next video. Thank you so much.